Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Disco Bob, Entertainment, and more in this video. New DQ Peanut Butter Puppy Chow Blizzard review. This is the new one that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
What's so funny, TSM? Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. So I was just at Dairy Queen drive-thru. So I picked me up one of the newest Peanut Butter Puppy Chow Blizzard. So I'm thinking Puppy Chow.
Whoa.
I saw that name on there and I'm thinking Puppy Chow. And then I asked the lady, the girl behind the counter, what's it got in it? And I knew it sounded like dog food when it said puppy chow, but it's not dog food. It's what it sounded like. I thought it was like something for your dog or something, but it's really not.
Yeah.
But it's vanilla soft serve ice cream with chocolate chunks and peanut butter topping. And I think it's kind of like the puppy chow's kind of like the Muddy Buddies. If you ever ate Muddy Buddies, I don't know nothing about Muddy Buddies, but let's give this a try. We can smell the peanut butter. Boy, is that good. You got the chocolate chunks, the peanut butter. Really good. But I'm thinking Muddy Buddies is what I think that's what has to do with the puppy chow, what's called. I don't know a lot about it, but I thought when I saw puppy chow, I thought that was funny because I'm like, I asked her what it was about, and I thought I gotta try this and do a review on it. I got a small because I didn't know if I like it or not. So I try not to buy big bags of something, but sometimes I end up doing it. And, but you know how that goes. But this is really good. I don't know what consists of the Muddy Buddies. I think it's like the Chex. I'm not sure how that is. Chex Mix or something? But it's really good. If you like peanut butter, you like chocolate chunks. So those pieces are really crispy. I don't know if it must be the Chex Mix. The Chex pieces, maybe? I think that's what it is. But it's really nice and thick. But it's really good with that combination of peanut butter and chocolate chunks and those, I think, are Chex pieces, like I said, like the Nutty Buddies, but are Muddy Buddies, not Nutty Buddy, Muddy Buddies. But I've never eaten those before. But I'll tell you what, this is good. This is a good Blizzard. So I think they have another kind. I forget what they call it, but this is really good, guys. It's not bad. What did I get it again? it's supposed to be part of the summer lineup, so who knows? I don't know. I'm more of a soft serve ice cream kind of person. Just an ice cream cone will do me, but this was really good, guys. So, hey, give it 2 thumbs up. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching this review on this new Dairy Queen Peanut Butter Puppy Chow Blizzard. So, thanks for watching, and we're keeping a dream alive for my roller skate dancing. I'm keeping a dream alive. So, dare to dream, everyone. So, hey, have a good one, guys.
What's so funny, TSM? Let's go disco, go hard. You tuned in with the disco bob. Let's go disco, go hard. You tuned in with the disco bob. Let's go disco, go hard. You tuned in with the disco bob. Let's go disco, go hard. You tuned in with the disco bob. Let's go disco, go hard. You tuned in with the disco bob. Let's go disco, go hard.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to Disco Bob Entertainment and More's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel. And give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 3,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel and give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really appreciate that too. Please, everybody, please. Please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.